Today, I will show you the absolute best apps for movies, series, and live TV channels to use on your Android TV, Chromecast, and any other streaming devices. Now, the first platform on my list is called Filmzy. On Filmzy, you can access a whole lot of movies, series, and so many other content. Now, the best part about Filmzy is that you are going to be seeing a lot of movies from independent creators and a lot of hidden gems in these platforms, which means that the kind of content you'll be finding on this platform called Filmzy, you might not even find it on other platforms. And it's a click and play platforms with a mobile app available. Now, when I say mobile app, I also mean that this app is available for your Fire TV, for your Roku TV, for your Chromecast, and any other streaming devices that you have. So if I come to the mobile app section, you can see it's fully available for download. Also, when I come to the category section, you can see it have different categories from action, adventure, and much more. If I click on anything right now, it's going to load up a bit, and just like that, you can see the play now free icon. So this platform is a must try for you guys. Now, moving on to the next on my list, this platform is called FilmRise. And on this platform, you can actually access a lot of popular movies legally for free, binge watch your favorite TV shows, and so many other content on this platform. So you guys have to actually give this platform a try. You can clearly see it in here. No need to submit your credit card, which means that you don't actually need to make payment to use their platform. You can also see it written here, Android TV, which means you can actually use it on your Android TV. So do give this platform called FilmRise a try. You can see it have 1 million downloads, which means it's going to be definitely worth your time. Now, the third platform on my list is called the Roku channel. With this platform, you can actually access thousands of free TV shows, movies, and live TV channels all in one place. Now, if I scroll down, you're going to see some live TV channels. If I scroll down again, you can see so many stuff available on this platform, and it's also available as an app for your Android TV, your Chromecast, your Fire TV, and so many other devices. If I go to the browse section, you can see they have series, they have movies, so many content for you to enjoy, including sports, with so many categories for you to enjoy on the platform. And if I go to the live TV channel, you can see so many live TV channels for you to explore in here on this platform. So do make sure to give this platform called the Roku channel a try. Now, the fourth on my list actually does not focuses on movies or TV series, but what it actually focuses on is news. I'm talking about local news, international news, and related. So this platform is called Haystack News, and it's also available as an app. So if I scroll down, I don't want to play anything here, so let me just scroll down. You can see it's available for Android TV, Fire TV, Google TV, iPad, Roku. You can see the list goes on. So if I'm to go to the Android Play Store right now, I just want to check how many downloads it's currently having. You are going to see it having over 5 million downloads, which means it's worth your time, with over 400 channels for you to enjoy on this platform. So if you're someone who like being updated, watching news and stuff like that, you can give this platform a try. Now, if you're finding any value at all from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me to grow my YouTube channel, because I'm really going to appreciate if you actually take out time to do that. Now, the next platform on my list is called Hoopla. Now, with Hoopla, you can access a whole lot of content. I'm not just talking about movies, series, and stuff like that. You can also access, audiobooks, ebooks, comics, and so many other stuff on this platform. Now, Hoopla is also available as an app, so you can definitely use it on any streaming device. So if I scroll down right now, you can see so many content available, ebooks, audiobooks, so many content in here for you to actually enjoy. So if you're actually interested in all this type of content, you can actually use Hoopla, but there's just one downside to Hoopla. You're actually going to need a library card for you to use this platform, either a library card or a student ID. So if you have that, you can go ahead and download Hoopla to any of your streaming device and utilize it. Now, moving on, next platform on my list is called Canopy. With Canopy, you can stream thousands of films legally for free on this platform. You can see it's available for your Android TV, your Chromecast, your Roku, your Fire TV, and so many other devices. And if I scroll down, you can see so many content in here. Now, This platform is actually similar to Hoopla. The reason why I say it's similar to Hoopla is because it also requires you having a library card or a student ID. So that's just it. So if you have that, you can go ahead and start enjoying this platform. Now, this platform is also available for a lot of devices, like I said earlier. So if I go to the Google Play Store real quick, so let me see if I can actually get there. Okay, yeah, let me go to the Google Play Store. I want to see how many downloads. You can see it's having over 1 million downloads. It is clearly written here, no ads, no payment, access with your library card. So if you have that, you can actually go ahead and use Canopy on any of your streaming devices and have a wonderful time. Now, next platform on my list is actually for, the Korean drama lovers, the Indian drama lovers, international drama, and stuff related to that. And this platform is called Viki. Now, if I scroll down, you can already see so many of those kind of content in here, and you can actually watch them legally for free on this platform that is called Viki. Now, it also has an app available for all your streaming devices. I'm going to show you that pretty soon. But first, let me go to the category section. You can see Korean, Made China, Taiwan, Thailand, and so many other available with so many type of category like action, comedy, and so on. If I go to the app section, it's going to load up a little bit. Yeah, you can see fully available for your Android TV, your Chromecast, your Fire TV, and your Android and iOS devices. So you guys have to check this platform out. It's going to be worth your time. Now, the last platform on my list is actually a premium platform that is super popular, and this platform is called Prime Video. Now, with Prime Video, you can access a lot of movies, TV series, animations, anime, and so many other content, just as you can see on your screen right now. This platform is game changer because the quality is next levels and is also available for a lot of devices, like so many devices. So let me just go ahead and move to the different section. If you go to the movie section, you can see so many movies available. Same thing for the TV series section. So there's so many content for you to enjoy on this platform, and it's also kind of affordable with a 7 days free trial. So let me check out the app so I can show you guys how many download Prime Video is currently having. So right now you can see that Prime Video is having 500 million downloads, which means that is more than worth your time. Like, you are definitely going to find a lot of content on this platform, and it's available for all your streaming devices like your Android TV, your Fire TV, Roku TV, Chromecast, all the different platforms. Now in this video, I think I've given you guys like 7 to 8 platforms. So give each and every one of them a try and let me know which one you prefer in the comments. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now, and it have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can go ahead and also watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.